Okay, we have an older swamp cooler. For those of you that don't have an AC, we have a swamp cooler, and this is a wheel bearing remover. And it's all, you can see it's all calcium, it's all eaten up. So we have to put a new one.
So what happens if you don't have the tool?
If you don't have the tool, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna remove this nut, this little screw. It looks like a square on top.
Okay.
And you're gonna take that out.
All right. You want me
with a wrench.
You want me to do it? How to?
Yes. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna get a hammer from your local thrift store or Walmart, and you're gonna get a piece of wood.
And then you just tap it.
You're gonna put it in the back of the wheel.
And then just tap it out.
Tap it out, and you're gonna push it out, and that is how you remove the wheel from the swamp cooler.
All right.
See?
And that's what that special.
That's what that special tool is: a piece of wood and a hammer that'll save you about $30. You're welcome, YouTube.